The math behind our classifier. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to take a peek at the math behind how our boundaries are created. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos, very small topics at a time. So we're going to be branching and stepping out of our general topics for just a little bit, just so you can understand and do some more research on your own, because this math is really past me to explain. I can kind of get it, but I also want to show you so you just don't think it's magic happening in the background. So all right, here's the beginnings of the math, and you'll recognize kind of our plane right here. But what it's doing is it's finding the max distance between this line, this boundary, and it classifies one side a positive one and the other side a negative one. And it is attempting this magnitude right here of the greatest distance. And I was beginning to, because yes, this is standard algebra, but it also isn't, because it has vectors and magnitude and things like that. And then we're also going to talk about what type of learning this is, maybe in a video down the way. But all right, this is also, it's a hyperplane, so it can be linear or nonlinear. And next video, I'm going to show you all three flowers, and you're going to understand why we're going to need to raise a level and look at the three dimensions, because it is actually quite interesting how these flowers are organized. So all right. This is one level up, and it's really based on, I don't know if you've ever heard Euclidean geometry, but his Euclidean space, three-dimensional space, X, Y, and Z planes. So, and then when we're drawing this right here, this is two dimensions, X and Y, a line. But we're going to have to implement a hyperplane when we draw and bring in all three flower types, and we're going to bring in three-dimensional space, because I think I showed you for a second that the third flower is interwoven here. But when we add a third dimension, you'll see that it does have a very clean boundary. So all right, real short video today. Hope you guys are enjoying this series. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests, but we're going to begin to pick up speed and move very quickly through this, and we're going to talk about more classifiers and different classifications and the uses of tweaking the input variables like the kernel, the error rate, to make a more accurate plane, line, or hyperplane. So there we go, guys. Please make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. There's a lot of good questions happening over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.